Vasudev Kutumbakam means world is one family. That's what we believe in, world is one family. Also it tells us Satyam Shivam Sundram means Satya Hamesha Jeet hoti hai. What you see out there, what do you call a Ravana or Ravan? Ravan is a symbol of evil. And we burn evil on this day to celebrate good always win over evil guys. So we will continue every year. As you know, we've been doing it since 95. 95 we're doing this, only for the last 2 years. You thought 19, we cannot do that. Let's have a round of applause for this year. Thank you. We have some very important guests with us. I would like to call one at a time. सबसे पहला, I would like to call Honorable Mayor of City of Brampton, Patrick Brown. Patrick Brown is always very helpful to Hindu Sabha. We had an incident where we had some deposit in the city of Toronto, city of Brampton, since 92. Patrick helped us to relieve the fund, which was 180,000. What is his figure? Due to Patrick, we got that. Let's have an applause for Patrick. Thank you. Here's the Patrick.
Well, thank you, Mr. Gupta. I just want to say hello, Brampton. Jai Shri Ram. And what a sea of people here tonight at the Hindu Sabha. How beautiful this is. Happy Dussehra of Brampton. And I have to say, the last few weeks have been beautiful as the city has celebrated Navratri. I've seen every neighborhood in our city celebrating. I have to say, the garbas across the city, the street garbas, I've seen garbas with 100 people, garbas with thousands of people. It's just been such a beautiful celebration of the Hindu community in our city. And I just want to say to everyone, very happy Dussehra, and to say the city of Brampton celebrates with you. And we did something special this year to recognize Navratri. The City of Brampton Council unanimously passed a motion to create the first Gita Park in the world outside of India, and it's in the city of Brampton.
Now, get me out of the camera. Get me out of the camera.
So I hope everyone had a wonderful time tonight, and I just want to say, and Councillor Dillon's here as well, Mr. Gupta, obviously there's a sea of love for the Hindu Sabha here in the city of Brampton. You've done a spectacular job, and once again, Jai Shri Ram.
Namaskar. How's you doing? Good. Hey, Jai Shri Ram, what's for me loud? Thank you so much. So my name is Gurpreet Singh Chilla. I'm the regional councillor for the area. I just got to say thanks to everybody who came today. Wonderful festivities. We had great performers today. And I got to thank Gupta Saab and his entire team for organizing this. Can we give him a big round of applause? It's so wonderful to be part of this, and I want to thank the Hindu community of Brampton for contributing so much, not only to our culture, our business, to social, economically, and politically as well. You guys do so much. I just want to thank you as well. Hope you guys all enjoy the rest of the evening. Jai Shri Ram.
भक्तजनों, 3 साल का बच्चा विधान मिल नहीं रहा, तो किसी को 3 साल का बच्चा दिखे तो प्लीज इधर स्टेज पे ले आइएगा. धन्यवाद.
Now, I would like to invite some of the member of parliament, Maninder Sidhu, Honorable Maninder Sidhu and his team. We have with us Shafat Ali, Member of Parliament, Maninder Sidhu. Yes, Maninder Sidhu.
Namaste, good evening everyone. How are you doing today? Wonderful, wonderful. First off, I want to say I'm so happy to be here as your elected official, your MP in this area for Brampton East. I'm joined by my colleague, MP Shafqat Ali from Brampton Centre. Give him a round of applause.
Why do all these people sound like this?
I want to thank the committee. I want to thank Mr. Gupta and the whole leadership team for bringing us together today. It's their hard work that brought us together today among thousands and thousands of people. We think about Canada, we think about our diversity, we think about, it doesn't matter what faith you're from, what language you speak, or what country you come from. We live in the best country in the world called Canada, don't you think so? So on behalf of the Government of Canada, Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, I want to wish everyone a very happy Dussehra. We're so happy to join you here today. I'm going to let Shafqat Ali say a few words.
Namaste, good evening. मेरा नाम शफकत अली है. I'm a member of Parliament for Brampton Centre. It's truly an honor to be here today to celebrate Dussehra with all of you. I'd like to congratulate the team and organizers who put this beautiful event together. So please give a round of applause for all performers, the artists who put the beautiful event together for us. So I have a token of appreciation for the organizer to present along with my colleague Maninder Sidhu. I would like to present that to you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Where's our team together, guys? Where's our management team? Can I call our management team to come on stage for a minute, please? All the directors, please come on the stage. All the directors who put the team together, who put this program together, please come on the stage. Come on in. Shobji, come on. Ajayji, come up. Ashwipa, where are you?
Could you please put your hands together for this amazing team? Thank you.
Vinodji, come out.
It's fun. I like clapping hands. Aja.
Thank you very much, guys. Now, I would like to call Indian Consulate Apurva Srivastava on stage, please.
सबसे पहले आपको बहुत बहुत दशहरे की शुभकामनाएं, नवरात्रि की शुभकामनाएं। आज घर की याद आ गई। पहली बार ऐसा लगा कि इंडिया में हूँ मैं, यहाँ पे लग नहीं रहा है, और इतना ज़्यादा प्यार, इतना ज़्यादा सुंदर रामलीला, रावण दहन, इतने सारे लोग, मुझे नहीं लगता मैंने कभी टोरंटो में रहते ये देखा है। तो सबसे पहले आप लोगों को बहुत बहुत बधाई और आप सभी के लिए बहुत बड़ी तालियां।
Offered a good actual view of the actual burning.
यही एनर्जी चाहिए आप लोगों की, और आप लोगों को मैं आपके और रावण दहन के बीच में मैं नहीं आना चाहती। तो आप बस आप लोगों को बधाई देना चाह रही हूँ, और जितना बहुत ही खुशी से मनाया, दिल मेरा बहुत खुश हो गया कि कनाडा देश में इतना, भारत से इतना दूर आप लोग अपनी संस्कृति को जीवित रखे हुए हैं। तो हिंदू सभा को बहुत बहुत बधाई, और हिंदू को बहुत बहुत बधाई जो रामलीला का इतना सुंदर प्रदर्शन किया। तो आप सभी को दशहरे की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। नमस्कार।
Thank you, Apurvaji. Thank you very much. Now I would like to call on stage some of the MPP who are here. Ninaji, can you come forward? We have Graham McGregor, Nina Tangri, Graham McGregor, Adeep Grewal, and we have the Amarjot, sorry. And we have Deepak Anand with us. Who else is missing over here? That's it? Where is he?
Trouble. Actually, bad.
The Stephen Lees is here, guys. Stephen Lees. That's it. Okay, that's it. Meena ji.
नमस्कार प्रणाम जय श्री राम जय श्री राम जय श्री राम जय श्री राम जय श्री राम। यहाँ ऊपर खड़ी होके आपको सबको देख के बड़ी खुशी हो रही है मालूम को। It looks absolutely beautiful from here to see each and every one of you tonight to celebrate Dussehra. All of Brampton here, I think all of Peel are here. So thank you for coming out and enjoying this. It is wonderful. The weather is beautiful. We're just waiting on the Honorable Stephen Lecce to join us up here on stage. But I just want to take a moment to thank Kuldeep Gupta, the entire board at the Hindu Sabha Temple from the day we did the groundbreaking here at this temple to today where we're able to celebrate these wonderful events with Ram Leela and as we'll be seeing soon the Jalana Tahel Ravan. And you know what? It is exciting, it's wonderful. Just a few years ago, many years ago, my own children participated in the Ram Leela. So it's just so wonderful to see all those people that came out, especially those young children that took all the time to practice, to be here today, and to do this event for all of us. It is really wonderful. I just want to also say it's just so heartwarming to join you all. I'm going to pass it on to each of my colleagues just to say a few words as we're waiting for Minister Lecce. But just to start very quickly, Bol Ramchandra Bhagwan ki Pavan Putra Hanuman ki Something that I recite each and every day from Ramayan or Sundarkand Path is Prabhasi Nagar ki Jasabakaja Hridaya Raki Kasolapura Raja. Something that's very dear to my heart. I say each and every day. Something my Guruji told me that I should speak. It gives me courage, himmat multi to be here with each and every one of you. Ek baar phir Jai Shri Ram. I'm going to pass it on to my colleague Deepak Anand, a member of Provincial Parliament from Mississauga Mountain.
Thank you, Neena, but I just want to be quick and I just want to say हम 10, 20, 50 साल पहले आ गए थे पर आज लग रहा है कि आज हमारी वो जो यात्रा है पूरी हुई है. I just want to say thank you to the Hindu Sabha Mandir and each and every one of you जो यहाँ आए हैं. तो एक जबरदस्त तालियां अब सबके लिए. So again, I just want to pass it on to my colleagues, but before I go, Grant, can you come here and say that, please? Namaskar, Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram. नमस्कार, मेरा नाम ग्रेम मैकग्रेगर है और मैं आपका नॉर्थ एमएलए ब्रैम्पटन नॉर्थ. मेरा नाम नहीं ठीक है. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. So great to be here. There's so much energy. It's absolutely buzzing. Just wishing from my family to yours a very, very happy Dussehra. Jai Shri Ram. Thank you. And now give it up for Hardy Grewal, your local MPP for Brampton East.
Thank you very much, Graham McGregor. मुझे लगता है आप सबको इसकी हिंदी बहुत अच्छी लगी होगी. एक बार फिर के लिए जय श्री राम. जिसके जैसे वो कहता भी मिल रहा है हरदीप गरेवाल आपका एमपीपी ब्रैम्पटन ईस्ट एरिया से कि हमारी पूरी पीसी टीम से हम लोग आपको विश करने आए हैं. वेरी वेरी हैप्पी दुशहरा. जय श्री राम. अब मैं पास कर रहा हूँ इसको हमारे अमरजोत संधू एमपीपी ब्रैम्पटन वेस्ट.
Thank you so much. Jai Shri Ram. Jai Shri Ram. It's so great to be here and it's great to see the positivity. I always say that there's so much negativity around the world these days, and this our festival is an affirmation of elements that binds us together in a common quest to enjoy living, keep spreading positivity and harmony in the community. It's great to see our kids. It's very important to attach our kids to our culture, to our roots, and we're very blessed that we live in such a country
where we can celebrate these special days with more enthusiasm and more energy to keep spreading the love, positivity, and harmony in the community. Happy Dussehra. Thank you so much for having me. Jai Shri Ram.
Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you very much. You want to do the vote? Okay. Come on, guys. All the directors, please come. भाइयों बहनों, आप में कोई बच्चा जिसका नाम एकमजीत पुरेवाल है, वो माँ बाप से बिछड़ गया है, उनके माँ बाप मंदिर के फ्रंट में उसका वेट कर रहे हैं स्टेज के पास। एकमजीत पुरेवाल, प्लीज गो टू द फ्रंट ऑफ द टेम्पल टू मीट योर पेरेंट्स। थैंक यू। थैंक यू सर।